Business and finance at Heriot-Watt feels real from day one. Everything we learn connects straight to what's happening in the world of finance. I'm not just studying theories, I'm applying them in practical projects, workshops, and in the Bloomberg trading room, working with live financial data like professionals do. Because the curriculum is always adapting to new trends in finance and technology, everything we study feels up to date and relevant to industry right now. I find the learning environment really supportive. Strong communication with lecturers, along with university resources like the Maths Gym and student advisors, makes a big difference when you need additional help. A highlight for me was studying abroad through Go Global. Spending a semester at the Malaysia campus gave me such a unique global perspective in both the programme and student life, with no interruption to my studies. If you're thinking about studying business and finance and you want a programme that builds applied industry skills and your confidence at the same time, this is a great place to start that journey.